After 30 long years, Korn Band and Adidas finally agreed on a collaboration that is long overdue. One of the variants of the two-pack collection sneakers. This is the Adidas Korn Campus model in black and rich purple colorway. This shoe right here really reminded me of my college days, alongside with the other bands like POD, Seven Dust, Limp Bizkit, or Slipknots, and so on. I think that was the golden era of rap metal. But anyway, let's talk about my impression on sneakers. Quality wise, this is very good. I would put it on the same level with the Nike SBs. Retailing at $130, you can't go wrong with this one. From the box presentation, accessories like the pick keychain, oversized extra laces, Life is a Peachy inspired insoles. Most of all, the hairy suede leather panels really feels nice on hand, plus those tiny little details that are properly executed. The thing that I like about Korn is their attitude to go against the mainstream. I remember watching one time Jonathan wearing skirts on a video, and I think that was really a crazy idea, but looks good on him. Well, speaking of styling, I don't think I can pull off what Korn frontman did, but I would say I will focus more on baggy clothing on this one. I think my camo cargo will fit properly on the bulkiness of the shoe. Pair it with some neutral colored loose fitting t-shirt and you're golden. Stay away from slim fit pants as they don't look good in my opinion. Now, since these sneakers really have fat tongues, it really reminded me of those Osiris Airwalk DC skate sneakers, and you know, they were really massive hit back then. As you can see, the massive tongues really protrude out, especially when you're wearing them. The gum outsole is also a nice addition to that skate shoes vibe that I have mentioned earlier. One thing also that's cool about this pair is that it has that gradient effect from black to purple when you're tilting the shoe against the light. Or maybe my eye is just tricking. I admit I cannot match Korn's ability or creativity in terms of music or styling, but I will still try my best to give you guys some ideas on how to pull off these sneakers. This time, I'm still using my light green cargos, and I think they're still looking fine. Please note, by the way, that the suede color might bleed into the white laces, so better be careful. A tapered fit pants will still work on this pair as long as they're loose fitting. And since it came with extra pair of laces, the black and the purple, I said why not try the purple ones? Maybe it would look good, just to elevate the idea of being rebellious, which is the main theme of these sneakers. But I don't think I like the results. If I were you, I might stick to the white one, because in my opinion, it's the best looking one. Now, if you're a massive fan of the Korn band, I would say these are straight away must-haves. Alongside with this release, by the way, they drop also some mercs like t-shirts, pullovers, and of course the other sneakers, the super modified one, which is a little bit expensive compared to this one. That one I think is a white colorway. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. We'll see you next time. Peace.
That's why I took it upon myself to start customizing and doing this stuff. I made Adidas kilts, I made Adidas sparkly tracksuits. Come on, we were so against everything. The new collection is stuff created by us. This is my purple tracksuit.
Yes. And it's kind of a piece of history.
That time to play the set.
So we're happy to be part of that.